We're working on this 32 Packard, and it doesn't have a dipstick like most engines. It's got a little oil gauge. That's the gauge right there. There's a couple gaskets and O-rings, and there's the plate. And it mounts on the side of the oil pan here. This right here is the float. Of course, we're going to have to replace that cork. But it looks like this goes up in here and attaches right there. And then as the oil level raises, it moves that thing right there, and that thing attaches to that thing on the back of the gauge and moves the little arrow. No batteries, no computer, just there it is, and I bet you if I put this together right now it would still work. Of course, we have to replace that cork. I don't know that that would float any longer. But this is got the water pump kind of just sitting on there, kind of mocking it up there. The starter goes in there, and inside there are the timing marks. This bolt here attaches to the starter, so I guess to time this you got to pull the starter out. How that's going to work, I'm not so sure yet. This here is the other side of the throttle linkage. It's all mocked up here. This line right here looks like this will go to the carburetor as a like a heat riser or something, I suppose. I haven't really got that figured out yet either. There's the generator. There's two gaskets go right there. There's a gasket right there and right there. This thing here has the timing chain in it, and it gets full of oil. So it's important that you have your gaskets on here. This is a vent tube, I suppose. There wasn't really nothing in it except a baffle. This is the starter. When it came in the mail, looks like it has a little crack in it. I don't know, we're going to be able to, I don't think it's going to hurt it, but I don't know yet. It is one big starter. We got to get a cover for this right here. I'm positive there should be a cover there, although the starter didn't come with one. Actually, now I look at it, this might be another crack right there. Hope not. That's where that bolt goes. Starter goes in that hole and the bolt goes right there. That's all that holds that starter on. Other than there may be a bracket back here, but I certainly don't see it anywhere it could be mounted. I believe this is where the wire, the cable goes. But, you know, still gotta figure things out. This is the oil fill tube. This is a baffle that'll go in it. This is the oil fill lid. So we're moving right along.